Hello everyone, so I am back with another video about the top 5 best drone for around 100 you can buy on Amazon. Subscribing to our channel and pressing the bell icon will give you access to more interesting videos. The following list is based on my personal opinion and research, and is ranked based on quality, features and pricing. Check out the links in the description below for updated pricing and more information on the products mentioned. Ever thought you had to spend big bucks to own a drone? Think again. In today's video, we're unveiling the top 5 drones under $100 that deliver impressive features without breaking the bank. Stick around to discover which drone suits your needs and budget. And hey, if you find one you like, I've dropped the purchase links in the description below for your convenience. Let's dive in. A video guide has been prepared to help you choose the top 5 best drone for around 100. Let's begin. On number 5 is TRANSLISTING 4K ultra-wide camera. Imagine capturing breathtaking aerial footage without burning a hole in your wallet. The TRANSLISTING 4K ultra-wide camera drone makes this possible. Priced around $69.33, this drone boasts a high-definition 4+1K camera with a 135 degrees wide-angle lens and 90 degrees adjustable tilt, delivering impressive clarity. Features like 1-key start to landing, optical flow positioning, altitude hold, and 3D flips enhance the flying experience. Its obstacle avoidance system adds a layer of safety, making it a strong contender among the best drones under $100. However, some users might find the controls less responsive in windy conditions. Overall, it's a fantastic option for those seeking quality and affordability in their drone adventures. On number 4 is Holystone HS440 Foldable FPV. The Holystone HS440 Foldable FPV drone offers impressive features for its affordable price point, making it a top choice among drones under $100. Equipped with a 1080p HD camera featuring a 112 degrees wide-angle lens and 90 degrees adjustable tilt, it captures clear and vibrant footage. Its foldable design and lightweight frame, 166 grams, enhance portability, and the drone offers up to 20 minutes of flight time per battery. User-friendly features like automatic takeoff, precise hovering, and 1-key high-speed rotation make it accessible for both beginners and experienced pilots. However, its lightweight build may not withstand windy conditions, and the camera quality, while good, is not exceptional. Overall, the HS440 provides a balance of affordability, quality, and user-friendly features, solidifying its position as a top drone choice in its price range. On number 3 is HYG Toys 4K GPS Circle Fly. The HYG Toys 4K GPS Circle Fly drone is a game-changer in the under $100 category, offering features typically found in more expensive models. Equipped with a 4K Ultra HD camera boasting a 120 degrees wide-angle lens and 90 degrees adjustable tilt, it captures stunning aerial footage. The inclusion of GPS-assisted flight ensures automatic return home on signal loss, low battery, or out-of-range situations, providing peace of mind. With user-friendly functions like altitude hold, 1-key start, and emergency stop, it's accessible for both beginners and seasoned pilots. The foldable design and carrying case enhance portability, making it travel-friendly. However, its lightweight build may not be ideal for windy conditions, and while the camera quality is impressive for the price, it's not on par with high-end drones. Overall, the HYG Toys 4K GPS Circle Fly drone delivers exceptional value, combining advanced features and affordability, solidifying its position among the top drones under $100. On number 2 is TizzyToy 40 minutes battery life 360-degree flip. Looking for a drone that combines impressive features without breaking the bank? The TizzyToy brushless motor drone offers an exceptional balance between performance and affordability, making it a top contender among the best drones under $100. Equipped with a 4K adjustable FPV camera, it captures stunning aerial footage with clarity and detail. The brushless motors provide enhanced stability and speed, ensuring smooth flights even in light wind conditions. With a flight time of up to 40 minutes, thanks to 2 included 1,600 mAh batteries, you can explore the skies longer without frequent recharging. Features like altitude hold, optical flow positioning, and a 360 degrees flip function add to the excitement, catering to both beginners and seasoned drone enthusiasts. Priced around $60, it offers remarkable value, standing out in the competitive market of affordable drones. Now moving to the last one is PLEGBLE Voice Control Gift Toy. Looking for an affordable drone that delivers exceptional features? The PLEGBLE Voice Control Gift Toy is a game-changer in the under $100 category. Equipped with a 4K HD camera featuring a 130 degrees wide-angle lens and 90 degrees adjustable view, it captures stunning aerial footage. The brushless motor ensures stable flights, and the foldable design enhances portability. With voice control, gesture photography, and safety features like propeller guards, it's perfect for both beginners and seasoned flyers. Priced at $99.99, it competes with top drones in its class, offering a blend of performance and affordability. So guys, this was the video about the top 5 best drone for around $100. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button, tell us in the comment section about which one you like the most, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.